In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a metapixel to your Hostinger website using their website builder. Whether you're a beginner or experienced in web development, this step-by-step guide will help you track conversions, optimize ads, and make smart marketing decisions using the metapixel. All right, let's dive right into it. The first thing you need to do is head over to the Hostinger website builder. This is where all the magic happens. If you haven't logged in yet, make sure you do so to access your dashboard. Once you're in, you'll want to locate and click on the More icon, usually represented as 3 horizontal dots. This icon provides additional options you may not see immediately on your homepage. It's these little steps that often make all the difference. Next, after you click on the More button, move your cursor to the Apps section. The Apps feature in Hostinger is quite user-friendly and provides numerous integrations that can enhance the functionality of your website. By searching through the available apps, you can add powerful features to your site with just a few clicks. Once you're in the Apps section, keep an eye out for the Facebook Pixel. Now, although it's called the Facebook Pixel, remember this tool is part of the broader Meta ecosystem, designed to help you reach the right audiences on both Facebook and Instagram. Click on the Facebook Pixel and it will prompt you to connect your pixel with your website. After selecting the Facebook Pixel option, look for a button labeled Highlight. Highlighting typically means you're selecting or focusing on a particular area or feature. In this context, you're emphasizing the connection of the Facebook Pixel with your website for more detailed tracking and analytics. Connecting your Facebook Pixel here is a crucial step that ensures you can start gathering valuable data on your website visitors and their interactions. Follow the instructions to complete the integration with your website. It's worth noting that each pixel you install is unique to your business, allowing you to better understand your audience's behavior, track various events, and create targeted marketing campaigns. If at any point you're unsure about the process, Hostinger provides helpful tips and you can always refer to their support for guidance. Once everything is set up, you'll be able to analyze the actions people take on your site and utilize the data to maximize your marketing effectiveness. This integration will not just help you in optimizing your ad spend, but also in understanding customer journeys and improving your conversion rates. Thank you for following along, and hopefully you now feel more confident about integrating the metapixel onto your Hostinger site. Stay tuned for more guides on enhancing your online presence and success.